Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm back with another hair video, and today's wig is from Asteria Hair. So this is the loose deep wave wig. So the density of the wig is 180, so it's not the fullest, but it's full enough, because I feel like with wavy or curly hair it tends to get bigger as time goes on anyway. So today I'm going to be showing you 3 ways that you can style this wig. So if you want to know more about this hair, then make sure you stay tuned and carry on watching. Hi guys, okay, so this is the wig I'm working with today from Asteria Hair. So I've already gone ahead to bleach the knots, as you guys can see, and it came with a natural hairline as well. So this is the construction of the wig. So the hair texture is loose deep wave, and this is what it looks like, as you guys can see. It's kind of giving raw hair vibes, which I really like. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and install the wig now. I've just applied some foundation on the lace just to help it match my skin better, and today I'm going to be using the Wonder Lace Bond hairspray. When I tell you, the hold on the spray is so good. I'll be using the spray today because I would like to keep my wig on for like the next 2 days. Hi guys, okay, so this is what the wig looks like once it's been installed. I've actually had the wig on for a few days now. I wore it out the other day. The hair was just giving raw hair vibes, and I feel like if you want that raw hair vibe where you're not trying to spend money on getting raw hair for now, then definitely get loose deep wave or deep wave or water wave. Honestly, those 3 different wave textures just kind of gives like raw hair vibes. So I'm gonna show you guys 3 different ways that you can style this wig. Obviously you guys can see this is already in a side part, so I'm just gonna go ahead and just define my parting just a bit more. It's still slightly kind of wet, so I'm just gonna wait for it to dry up properly, and then I'll show you guys what it looks like. The hair is so nice when it's dried. I feel like the lace is slightly big for me because you guys can see how it's doing that ripple thing at the front. Okay, so this is how the hair looks as a side parting. I really feel like this hair literally gives off raw hair vibes. Now I'm going to show you another way you can style this wig. So this is literally another way you can style this wig. I think this is so cute. And now I'm going to change this back to a middle part. This is how the hair looks as a middle part, and personally I feel like this hair looks better as a side instead of middle. But so this wig is from Asteria Hair, and this is their loose deep wave. The density of the wig is 180, so you guys can see it's not really that full, but it's full enough. And with wavy or curly hair, it tends to get bigger the longer you have it on anyway. So I'll make sure to list all the links that you guys need in the description box below, so please make sure you check below for anything you'd like to know, and I'll see you guys in my next one.